Hello everyone, this is AI Digital with a brand new topic of iPhone 15 launching in September. The wait is over. With the latest key features, especially with USB-C port, 6.1 and 6.7 inches in size, with its dynamic island for all models. You can say iPhone 15 is a beauty with technology, with an elegant titanium designed body. iPhone 15 leaks have revealed a number of surprising design decisions, including an exclusive Pro Max periscope camera and a new action button controls. But perhaps the biggest shock is they are shaping up to be the most open standard iPhones ever released. iPhone 15 could support the new MagSafe inspired QI to wireless charging standard and at the same 15-volt charging speed as MagSafe itself. iPhone 15 colors. Not a lot of rumors about what colors Apple will include with the different iPhone 15 models have emerged just yet. The most prominent rumor from 9to5Mac claims the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will feature a dark red color option. The same report also claimed Apple was looking at light blue and pink as color options for iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. A subsequent post on Weibo claims that a cyan or green color option is slated for those two models as well. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.